Out-of-place artifacts, or UPARTs, are historical objects that seem to defy conventional understanding of human technological advancement and chronology, potentially offering glimpses into a hidden past of advanced technology. The Antikythera mechanism, a complex clockwork mechanism discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece and dating back to around 100 BC, remains an enigma to modern scientists, showcasing intricate gears and mechanisms that were thought to be beyond the capabilities of ancient civilizations. The Baghdad battery, a clay jar found in Iraq and dated to the Parthian period around 250 BC, is believed by some researchers to be an ancient galvanic cell, suggesting the possibility that our ancestors had knowledge of electricity centuries before its modern discovery. The Piri race map, a Turkish cartographic artifact dating back to 1513, depicts highly accurate coastal outlines of South America, Africa, and even Antarctica, raising questions about how such knowledge of geography could have been obtained and recorded in an age before advanced navigational tools. The stone spheres of Costa Rica, large and nearly perfectly spherical granite stones found across the country and dating back to approximately 600 AD, remain a mystery to both archaeologists and geologists, as the techniques for creating such precise shapes and transporting them over long distances are still unknown. While some of these UPARTs may eventually be explained by conventional historical narratives, their existence invites us to consider the possibility that they represent tangible evidence of lost advanced technologies and knowledge, waiting to be rediscovered and understood by our modern civilization. Consider Göbekli Tepe, an archaeological site in southeastern Turkey, where the unearthed monumental structures have been dated to around 12,000 years old, predating the invention of agriculture and defying our understanding of early human societies. In South Africa, the ruins of a vast stone city known as Mpumalanga have been estimated to be between 75,000 to 250,000 years old, raising questions about the complexity of ancient cultures and their architectural capabilities. Could the enigmatic underwater structures found off the coast of Yonaguni Island, Japan, be remnants of a lost civilization that succumbed to the rising sea levels at the end of the last ice age? Some researchers argue that their seemingly artificial features, including terraces and staircases, suggest an origin beyond natural geological processes. The ancient city of Tiwanaku, nestled high in the Bolivian Andes, has been dated to around 15,000 years old based on astronomical alignments, pushing back the timeline for advanced civilizations in the Americas. Moreover, the Sumerian king list, an ancient manuscript listing the rulers of Sumer, modern-day Iraq, describes a time before a great flood when kings ruled for thousands of years, hinting at the existence of a civilization far older than mainstream historians believe. As we ponder these intriguing examples, we must question the widely accepted narrative of human history and remain open to the possibility of a much older civilization, one that may have been technologically advanced and whose remnants still lie hidden beneath the sands of time. The enigmatic stone structures of Pumapunku in Bolivia, characterized by their intricate interlocking design and precision-cut megaliths, have long puzzled archaeologists and historians. Similarly, Göbekli Tepe, an ancient site in Turkey, boasts an array of massive stone pillars arranged in circles, estimated to be over 12,000 years old, predating Stonehenge and the pyramids by millennia, raising questions about the capabilities of early human societies. In India, the breathtaking rock-cut temples of Ellora and Ajanta feature intricate carvings and sculptures seemingly impossible to create without advanced tools, further challenging our understanding of ancient construction techniques. The massive stone spheres of Costa Rica, known as the Diqui spheres, display remarkable smoothness and seemingly defy logic, with some weighing over 16 tons, while their purpose and method of creation remain shrouded in mystery. Nan Madol, a submerged city off the coast of the island of Pohnpei in Micronesia, is composed of immense basalt columns arranged in a grid-like pattern, suggesting an advanced level of engineering and architectural knowledge. Ancient Japan's underwater Yonaguni Monument, with its complex geometric shapes and terraces, fuels debates on whether it is a natural formation or evidence of a submerged, advanced civilization lost to time. The presence of these enigmatic structures around the world, each with its unique construction techniques and unexplained origins, raises the tantalizing possibility of a connection to a shared, yet forgotten knowledge possessed by a highly advanced prehistoric civilization. The Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the oldest known literary works, contains fascinating accounts of advanced technology and wisdom in the ancient world. Its protagonist, Gilgamesh, embarks on a journey in search of immortality, during which he encounters advanced beings with supernatural powers, such as the sage Utnapishtim who survived a great flood. The story of the Great Flood in Gilgamesh shares similarities with biblical and other ancient flood narratives, suggesting the possibility that these stories may describe a cataclysmic event that wiped out an advanced civilization. Utnapishtim's account of how he was granted immortality by the gods could be seen as an allegory for the transfer of advanced knowledge between lost civilizations and the early human societies that emerged after the Cataclysm. The Epic of Gilgamesh also features the Hulapu tree, a cosmic tree with magical properties that housed various divine beings, reflecting the concept of a tree of life or world tree that connects the heaven, earth, and underworld, found in many other ancient cultures. This symbolism has been interpreted as a metaphor for advanced energy sources or communication networks, linking different realms of existence and facilitating the exchange of knowledge and power. Other ancient texts, such as the Egyptian Book of the Dead and the Indian Vedas, also contain descriptions of advanced technologies, including flying machines called vimanas and energy weapons like the Brahmastra, which could destroy entire cities. These intriguing references to advanced technology in ancient texts challenge our conventional understanding of human history and offer tantalizing glimpses into the possible existence of a highly advanced civilization before our recorded past. By uncovering ancient advanced technologies, we could potentially unlock the secrets of materials, processes, and designs that have been lost to time, leading to groundbreaking innovations in modern science and technology. The study of ancient high-tech societies might help us identify sustainable technologies and practices that could revolutionize how we address today's global challenges such as climate change, energy production, and resource management. In the realm of medicine, the knowledge and techniques employed by ancient civilizations could open up new avenues for the treatment and prevention of diseases, offering potential cures and remedies that have been obscured over millennia. The re-evaluation and integration of lost advanced technologies could also provide new perspectives on scientific disciplines like physics, astronomy, and mathematics, leading to novel hypotheses, models, and theories that defy conventional wisdom. Furthermore, the existence of an ancient advanced civilization would encourage interdisciplinary collaborations between archaeologists, engineers, physicists, and other experts, fostering a new era of innovation and discovery across various fields of study. Lastly, the revelation of an ancient technologically advanced society could serve as a catalyst for a global renaissance, inspiring a sense of wonder, curiosity, and collective purpose, as we seek to reimagine our understanding of the past, present, and future. As we scrutinize the geological evidence, intriguing patterns emerge that challenge traditional views on the age of various ancient structures and artifacts. One striking example comes from the Göbekli Tepe site in Turkey, where a series of massive, intricately carved stone pillars are buried beneath layers of sediment dated to approximately 11,000 years ago, predating the supposed dawn of agriculture and complex societies. Even more mystifying is the controversial discovery of alleged human footprints embedded in rock, found alongside dinosaur tracks in the Paluxy River bed in Texas, suggesting an impossible coexistence of humans and dinosaurs millions of years ago. In the field of paleoclimatology, ice core samples from Greenland and Antarctica reveal evidence of rapid, dramatic climate shifts taking place over the course of mere decades, potentially hinting at the possibility of civilization-altering catastrophes in the distant past. The erosion patterns found on the Sphinx and its enclosure in Egypt, which some experts claim could only have been caused by prolonged periods of heavy rainfall, would require a timeframe stretching back at least 7,000 years, far beyond the age attributed to the monument by conventional archaeology. Such enigmatic findings, scattered across the globe, force us to question the accuracy of our current dating methods and wonder whether the narrative of human history might be far more complex and remarkable than we ever imagined. Ancient symbols, such as the serpent, often found in Egyptian and Mayan art, have been interpreted as representations of energy or powerful forces, possibly hinting at advanced technological concepts. The ancient Indian symbol of the swastika, predating its association with negative historical events, has been suggested to represent a spinning or rotating mechanism, potentially pointing to an understanding of dynamic forces and energy transfer. Similarly, the caduceus, a staff entwined by two serpents and associated with the Greek god Hermes, has been seen as a symbol representing the flow of energy along a central axis, possibly even hinting at the concept of electromagnetic fields or energy transmission. The flower of life, a geometric pattern found in various ancient cultures across the world, has been considered an illustration of the interconnectedness of all living things, with some researchers even suggesting it could represent a blueprint for advanced technologies or energy grids. The Nazca lines, mysterious geoglyphs etched into the desert of southern Peru, have been theorized to serve as an ancient communication system or even a map of underground resources, potentially showcasing a sophisticated understanding of Earth's geology and resource distribution. The Egyptian hieroglyph for the word God, Neter, features a flag on a pole, which has been interpreted by some researchers as a symbol for an electrical device or a representation of electromagnetic forces, offering a tantalizing clue to the possible existence of advanced technologies in ancient Egypt. These interpretations of ancient symbols, while speculative, invite us to consider the possibility that our ancestors may have possessed a profound understanding of the physical world and technological concepts, and encoded this knowledge in their art, architecture, and mythology. Imagine stumbling upon a peculiar artifact, hidden deep within an ancient cave, a relic so advanced and complex that it defies all explanation. The artifact, an intricate metallic device covered in strange symbols and intricate patterns, is clearly out of place amidst the primitive surroundings. As you examine it closer, you realize that it resembles no known technology or art from any known civilization in history. Could this enigmatic artifact be evidence of an advanced civilization that predates our current understanding of human history? This discovery sets you on an epic journey to uncover the truth behind this mysterious artifact and the civilization that created it, challenging everything we thought we knew about our past. As you dig deeper, you begin to find more clues pointing to an advanced society lost to time, one that may have possessed knowledge and technologies far beyond our comprehension. The search for answers will take you across the globe, to the ancient pyramids, through long-forgotten texts, and into the realm of myth and legend, sparking curiosity and wonder at every turn. Ancient myths and legends across various cultures often depict gods and advanced beings with extraordinary abilities, hinting at the possibility of a highly advanced civilization that predated our known history. Greek mythology, for example, tells the tale of the Titan Prometheus, who stole fire from the Olympian gods and gifted it to humanity, which could be interpreted as a metaphor for the sharing of advanced knowledge or technology. Similarly, the ancient Sumerian pantheon included the Anunnaki, celestial beings who were said to have created mankind and bestowed upon them the knowledge of agriculture, writing, and the arts, potentially alluding to a forgotten advanced civilization that played a pivotal role in human development. In Hindu mythology, the gods wielded powerful weapons called astras, which were capable of unleashing devastating forces similar to modern nuclear technology, raising the question of whether these stories were inspired by a civilization with access to such advanced capabilities. The ancient Egyptian god Thoth, credited with the invention of writing and the development of science and mathematics, is another example of a divine figure who may represent a long-lost advanced culture that contributed to the progress of human civilization. Even in the Americas, the legend of Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent god of the Aztec and Maya civilizations, symbolizes the fusion of wisdom and power, possibly reflecting the existence of an ancient culture that combined advanced knowledge with sophisticated technology. By examining these intriguing myths and legends, we can explore the possibility that they hold echoes of a time when an advanced civilization walked the earth, imparting their wisdom and technological prowess to the ancient cultures that would become the foundation of our modern world. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a colossal structure composed of over 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, has long captivated researchers and sparked numerous theories about its construction. One enduring mystery is the precision with which the pyramid was built, with its base level to within just a few centimeters and its sides aligned nearly perfectly with the cardinal directions. Additionally, the pyramid's design includes a series of narrow, ascending shafts, some leading to hidden chambers, which have puzzled experts as they seem to serve no practical purpose. The massive granite blocks, weighing up to 80 tons, were quarried from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away, and transported across the Nile, raising questions about the techniques and tools employed by the ancient builders. Furthermore, it's estimated that to complete the Great Pyramid within a 20-year timeframe, each block would need to be placed every 2.5 minutes, a mind-boggling feat even with modern technology. Some researchers have proposed that the builders utilized an advanced knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering, potentially acquired from a much older civilization, to construct the pyramids with such remarkable accuracy and speed. As we continue to unravel the secrets behind these extraordinary monuments, we must also consider the possibility that the true nature of their construction may challenge our current understanding of human history and technological capabilities. The sudden collapse of the Mayan civilization serves as a prime example of rapid civilizational decline, as their once thriving cities were abandoned within a century, leaving behind monumental structures and a complex writing system, but few clues to explain their demise. Environmental factors, such as prolonged drought or resource depletion, are believed to have contributed significantly to the Mayan collapse, illustrating how vulnerable even advanced societies can be to the forces of nature. Another example is the disappearance of the Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished between 2600 and 1900 BCE, and is considered one of the three earliest urban civilizations, along with those of Egypt and Mesopotamia. The Indus Valley Civilization had sophisticated urban planning, advanced sanitation systems, and long-range trade networks, yet it vanished without a trace, leaving modern scholars to ponder the cause of its sudden disintegration. Some theories suggest that tectonic activity and climate change may have disrupted the course of the Indus River, causing the civilization's agricultural base to collapse and leading to a rapid decline in population and societal complexity. The mysterious disappearance of Easter Island's Rapa Nui civilization is yet another example of a seemingly abrupt collapse, with evidence suggesting that environmental degradation and resource depletion, possibly combined with external factors such as European contact, led to the population's decline. These case studies highlight the fragile nature of even highly developed societies, demonstrating how external factors, such as environmental catastrophes or resource scarcities, can trigger rapid and irreversible changes that ultimately result in the collapse of once thriving civilizations. Layers of sediment found in ice cores from Antarctica and Greenland, as well as deep-sea cores, reveal evidence of abrupt climate changes and potential cataclysms that occurred thousands of years ago. The Younger Dryas, a sudden and dramatic cooling event that occurred around 12,800 years ago, is believed to have caused widespread ecological devastation and the extinction of megafauna like mammoths and mastodons. Some researchers propose that a cosmic impact event, such as a comet or meteor strike, could have triggered the Younger Dryas, as evidenced by the presence of nanodiamonds and other impact-related materials discovered in sediment layers from that time period. Ancient flood myths, like those found in the Sumerian Epic of Gilgamesh, the biblical account of Noah's Ark, and stories from native cultures around the world, could be remnants of oral traditions describing devastating global cataclysms. The discovery of the submerged Sphinx enclosure in Egypt, with its signs of deep water erosion, suggests that the monument could be thousands of years older than previously believed, potentially pointing to a cataclysmic event that altered the region's climate and landscape. The existence of massive underwater structures, such as the Yanagani Monument and the sunken ruins of the megalithic city of Dwarka in India, could be further evidence of civilizations destroyed by ancient tsunamis or rising sea levels following global cataclysms. Examining these evidences from various disciplines, including geology, archaeology, and ancient texts, provides a compelling case for the possibility that ancient global cataclysms may have wiped out evidence of highly advanced prehistoric civilizations, leaving only fragmented clues for us to decipher. The concept of cyclical history suggests that human civilization has experienced periods of advanced technology, followed by decline and loss of knowledge, only to regain it in later epochs, challenging the linear view of technological progress. Examples such as the Antikythera mechanism and the Baghdad battery give us pause to consider the possibility that our ancestors may have achieved a level of technological sophistication equal to, or even surpassing, our own in certain areas. The rediscovery of ancient techniques, such as the sophisticated water management systems used by the Minoans on Crete, highlights the potential for lost knowledge to be reclaimed and integrated into our modern understanding of technology. If advanced prehistoric technology did exist, it would require us to reevaluate our assumptions about the capabilities of ancient civilizations and the trajectory of human progress, potentially transforming our understanding of history and our place in it. Such a perspective also opens up the possibility of multiple high-tech civilizations having existed in the past, each with unique approaches to technology, architecture, and societal organization, providing a rich tapestry of potential inspiration for our own technological endeavors. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our past and unlock the secrets of lost civilizations, we may uncover valuable lessons in their technological achievements that can help to shape the future of our own civilization in new and unpredictable ways. One theory posits that an advanced system of pulleys and counterweights was employed to hoist massive stones into position, while others suggest the use of sophisticated lever mechanisms for effective leverage. Another intriguing hypothesis is that the ancient builders harnessed the power of sound, employing acoustic levitation to lift and move the enormous stones with relative ease. Some experts propose that the ancient Egyptians may have used water to their advantage, utilizing an ingenious system of canals to float the giant blocks to their desired location and constructing temporary water locks to raise the blocks to the required height. Other researchers point to the possibility that they employed a concentrated solar energy mechanism, using large mirrors or lenses to focus sunlight onto limestone, melting the surface and allowing the blocks to fit together seamlessly. Theories involving lost technologies, such as geopolymerization, also abound, suggesting that the builders created a type of ancient concrete, molding it into shape before it hardened to form the colossal blocks. In addition, some speculate that the ancient Egyptians could have had access to an advanced knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and electromagnetic energy, which would have allowed them to construct the pyramids with such astonishing precision. The ongoing search for clues and evidence of advanced technology in the pyramids continues to challenge our understanding of human history and raises questions about the potential existence of a lost civilization with knowledge and capabilities far beyond our current comprehension. The concept of lost knowledge and rediscovery raises the tantalizing possibility of ancient secrets and innovations waiting to be uncovered, eager to enhance our modern understanding of science and technology. Explorations into the depths of hidden libraries, like the famed Library of Alexandria, could potentially reveal a treasure trove of ancient wisdom, detailing technologies and discoveries far beyond our current comprehension. This lost knowledge may even hold the keys to solving some of today's most pressing challenges, including alternative energy sources, advanced materials, or even medical breakthroughs, driven by the unique perspectives and creative solutions of our long-lost ancestors. Imagine a world where we could harness the power of ancient technologies, such as the enigmatic Ark of the Covenant, tapping into a vast, untapped reservoir of potential that could propel our society into a new era of enlightenment and progress. As we continue to delve into our past, we may uncover hidden connections between seemingly disparate innovations, pointing to a unifying thread that ties together the myriad of technological advancements woven throughout human history. By embracing the potential for lost knowledge and rediscovery, we open ourselves to the possibility of a rich, interconnected tapestry of human ingenuity, transcending time and space, and forever altering the course of our collective future. As you hold the mysterious artifact in your hands, a profound realization washes over you. If this object was indeed created by an advanced civilization predating our known history, then our understanding of human development would be turned upside down. The implications are staggering. Such a discovery would force us to reevaluate not only our understanding of history, but also our notions of human ingenuity, resilience, and potential. If this ancient culture possessed technologies and knowledge surpassing even our present-day capabilities, how did they achieve such feats, and why has this knowledge been lost to the sands of time? Questions arise about the possibility that other discoveries like this may be hidden around the world, waiting to be unearthed and unlock even more secrets of our past. The artifact also serves as a reminder that the path of human advancement is not linear, but a complex tapestry of progress, setbacks, and rediscovery. If we can find the answers to these enigmas, not only would our understanding of our own origins be forever changed, but it could also propel us towards new scientific breakthroughs and a deeper appreciation of the boundless potential for human achievement. If evidence of an ancient advanced civilization emerges, it would force us to reevaluate our assumptions about the uniqueness of humanity's technological achievements and raise intriguing questions about the possibility of other high-tech civilizations in our planet's past. Such a discovery might also prompt us to seek answers to the Fermi paradox, which asks why we have not yet detected extraterrestrial civilizations despite the vastness of the universe and the high probability of other life-bearing planets. Could the existence of a previously unknown advanced civilization on Earth provide clues to understanding the rise and fall of intelligent species across the cosmos? If so, the knowledge we gain could inform our search for extraterrestrial life and guide our efforts to communicate with other civilizations. Moreover, unearthing an ancient high-tech society could have profound implications for our understanding of human evolution and the development of culture, language, and technology, potentially revealing a deeper connection between our ancestors and other life forms in the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the possibility of finding traces of ancient high-tech civilizations on other celestial bodies, such as Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, also becomes an intriguing prospect, bringing us closer to solving the mysteries of our cosmic origins. Ultimately, the realization that we may not be the first high-tech civilization on Earth could inspire us to reflect on our own future, encouraging us to learn from the lessons of past civilizations and strive to preserve our own legacy for generations to come. Scrutinizing the available data, researchers have uncovered discrepancies casting doubt on the accuracy of conventional dating methods, such as radiocarbon dating and dendrochronology. Take the Shroud of Turin, for example, a linen cloth bearing the image of a man many believe to be Jesus of Nazareth. Radiocarbon tests performed in 1988 placed its origin in the Middle Ages, yet subsequent studies have identified potential flaws in the sampling and testing procedures, opening the door for renewed debate. Similarly, in 2017, a new analysis of the Bhaksali manuscript, an ancient Indian mathematical text, unexpectedly revealed it to be nearly 500 years older than previously believed, rewriting the history of mathematics in the process. Another example comes from the field of astronomy, where researchers have questioned the age of ancient star maps and their implications for the dating of ancient monuments, such as the megalithic observatory of Nabta Playa in Egypt, which could predate Stonehenge by over 1,000 years. As we continue to challenge conventional dating techniques, we must also consider the potential influence of previously unknown factors, such as geomagnetic field fluctuations and climatic changes, which could significantly alter our understanding of the true age of various artifacts and structures. By daring to question established paradigms and embracing new perspectives, we may ultimately unveil a hidden chapter of human history, one characterized by advanced knowledge and monumental achievements far beyond what we currently acknowledge. As we consider the implications of a lost advanced civilization, we must first confront the possibility that our current understanding of historical timelines may be fundamentally flawed. If evidence of an ancient high-tech society were to be substantiated, it would drastically change our perception of human progress, revealing a much deeper and richer history than we ever imagined. This revised timeline would necessitate a re-evaluation of the origins and dissemination of knowledge, showcasing how seemingly disparate cultures might have been linked through shared technological advancements or even a common precursor civilization. In this new historical framework, we might uncover connections between the development of agriculture, written language, and monumental architecture, leading us to question how far back the roots of our shared history truly extend. The discovery of an ancient advanced civilization could also reshape our understanding of the rise and fall of empires, forcing us to re-examine the factors that contribute to the growth, prosperity, and decline of complex societies. Ultimately, revising our historical timeline to include a lost advanced civilization would open the door to a new era of human understanding, challenging our preconceived notions about our ancestors and redefining what it means to be a technologically advanced society. Large-scale catastrophes, such as volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, or asteroid impacts, could cause widespread devastation that would obliterate physical evidence of advanced civilizations in a matter of moments. The Toba supereruption, which occurred around 74,000 years ago, is believed to have plunged the Earth into a volcanic winter lasting up to 1,000 years, causing massive population declines and pushing humanity to the brink of extinction. Similarly, the Santorini eruption around 3,600 years ago is thought to have caused the collapse of the Minoan civilization, with ash deposits found as far away as Greenland, suggesting that such events could have global consequences. Rising sea levels following the end of the last ice age could have submerged vast portions of land where advanced cultures may have been situated, preserving their ruins beneath layers of sediment and obscuring them from modern archaeological surveys. In addition to the physical destruction caused by cataclysms, social and cultural knowledge held within a civilization might be lost as well, as the surviving population struggles to adapt to the new reality, resulting in a loss of the collective memory of the advanced culture. As the remaining population fragments and scatters to find new, habitable lands, they may carry with them only fragments of their former knowledge, which could evolve into myths and legends about a golden age of advanced technology and wisdom, now lost to the sands of time. Studying the effects of known historical cataclysms, such as the Bronze Age collapse, can provide insight into how advanced civilizations might have been erased from the historical record, leaving us to rediscover the tantalizing clues of their existence millennia later.